If you are looking for a keyboard which performs well and customizes according to your choice, then this keyboard is for you. Let's check it out. Pretty much very simple unboxing, and inside the box you will find the keyboard, and man, it looks very premium. Even the sides of the keyboard are polished superbly well, that it gives very polished look to this keyboard. Weighing around 1.3 kilogram, it's not a big deal for this kind of a keyboard because inside there is a huge 10,000 milliamp hour battery is framed, and it gives a huge competitive cycle to recharge it again. Removing and changing switches is not a big deal for this keyboard, and when it comes to the keycap side, this keyboard comes with a double shot PVD keycaps which they named as Akko MOD68 keycaps. Again, very premium they feel when you type. As far as the switches is concerned, my particular variant contains Astro Aim switches set. Yet this is my favorite magnetic switches from the Akko. But you can also get the Astro Link switches set, which is again of the same performance. Both of them are pretty solid, high quality, and most important, no stem wobble I personally feel in these switches. Well, Akko did an amazing job by making this keyboard so well that my particular variant is of FR4 plate, and maybe that's why it feels kind of a soft plate as compared to typically aluminum plates keyboard. While you can get this keyboard in aluminum frame as well, as this keyboard comes in tremendous amount of customization, which we will talk in a second. For the Astro Link switches, this is the sound of Akko MOD68 HE. Wide setup is clearly very easy, and the moment you plug in the keyboard, this is what you see. Let me turn off the maximum of my lights just to give you an idea how RGB looks on this keyboard. You can clearly see the RGB lights are so vibrant. Moreover, you can customize it with the software, and there are a lot of effects present inside the software. Speaking of software, it comes in a website and in a downloadable file as well. I just downloaded and it is easy as one can expect. You have all kind of functions from left side in order to make keyboard of your choice. Like you can adjust macros and lightning effect, as this software offers too much variety in terms of lightning with controllable speed and brightness. Our point of choice lie in this magnetic switch settings option, as this offer rapid trigger for specific keys up to 0.005 mm, and you can actually adjust your dead zone level as well. By going into advanced options, you will set your keyboard for dynamic keystroke, mod tab, toggle key, and SOCD specifically as well. In the other settings, you can adjust the polling rate of your keyboard, as mine is set to 8000 Hz. Well, if you don't know what these terminologies are, I will try to clear it in one line in the description below.
क्या पागल है?
Shoot. Last player standing. One enemy remaining. My heart's racing. Last player.
कहाँ से फ्लैश आ गया रेना का? रेना का फ्लैश
One enemy remaining.
Three ultimate ready. They're brave. Reeling them in.
ओ माँ फिजान भाई.
Back to gold grind, huh?
Blinded.
मैंने बोला था
Player
शायद
standing.
सही तो बेकार
One enemy remaining.
मिड निकला है
Stun.
Cutting their vision. One enemy remaining. Spike down.
ठीक है
They will cover.
आ गई शिट बटा वॉल
Last player standing.
Phoenix, are you boosted?
यस
One right, one left.
One enemy remaining.
Left. 3 bullets.
Your duty is not over.
Back where I belong.
Fabulous.
सर तो कुछ मर ही नहीं रहा सेज बहुत लो है
Last player standing. One enemy remaining. Phoenix killed.
My turn to aid. Enemies.
One enemy
Pull
remaining.
them to their grave. Here.
10 seconds
Nothing there.
left. Last player standing.
Was in there. Nice.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.